Hey guys, we're here at Naga City today in Cebu and we're waiting for the lighting ceremony. We were invited by the LGU for the lighting event. So while waiting, we were also invited by Aventinos. So we'll be tasting their pizza today. And guess what? Mauni ang pizza house. And beside it is the beach. Isn't that amazing? Mingaw kayo diri ron guys. Kay strict ang ilang security because of the event later on. So, mingaw ka siya. We're here with My Food Merkado and also Suroy Tabay. And of course, di mawa si Albert o si Sean. Hey guys, so naabot na gyud ang pizza, naluto na siya, and beside me is Mayan of My Food Merkado. She also has a personal YouTube channel which is Mayan Cares. So we'll be talking about any topic, but of course while eating Aventino's pizza. So if you didn't know, their pizza really originated from Siargao. So they franchised it and brought it here in Cebu. So, if ever you happen to be in Cebu or in Siargao, please do visit Aventino's Pizza. So guys, meet the owner of Aventino's Naga branch. Ay, wala din ako makonect, so wait ha. So this is, what's your name, gani sir?
Apot Panganiban.
Apot Panganiban. So, he's a resident of Naga as well. He opened this branch December 18, 2017. Okay, so he invited us today, and guys, they're celebrating their anniversary on December 18. That's 10 days from now. Don't forget to visit Aventino's Naga, walking distance away from the City Hall. It's near the Baywalk. Baywalk, betawagan ni Boardwalk. There you go. So, doon rin yung siyang dagat. So, ganan mo magsam-sam pag damog sinina daan.
Sige. Ya, apila rin sa mo sa una. Una na apila sa imong shot. Una na niya.
Guys, bukaon na ta kay kumot kayo ang pizza.
Pagsudo lang sa.
Kung saan yung flavors?
Murag ano siya yung... Ay, ano siya flavors?
Sir, saan yung flavors gani?
Meat lovers naman.
Meat lovers.
Trisha o
Trisha.
Ay, ano yung mayroon?
And Trisha.
Hawaiian.
And Hawaiian.
Ay, Trisha.
Una ito 3 layer.
Asa 3 layer ni? Kani? Ang Trisha. Trisha.
3 layers. Ito po ba?
Mga meat lovers, muna yung thick crust.
Tonight take na 15.
Niya ka na 3 layer.
3 layer.
Kuha na siya mama. First layer niya, all cheese, white cheese na lang. Second layer, vegetables. Third layer for meat.
Okay.
And they use only mozzarella cheese.
Ay gamay cheddar para pang pangat pa.
So guys, they gave us 3 flavors. There's kani meat lovers. There's Trisha.
Yeah, kay 3 man siya.
Trisha.
3 siya ka layers actually.
3 layers daw. Cheese.
cheese,
vegetables,
veggies, and then meat.
Meat. And then the last one is the Hawaiian over there.
Hawaiian,
With
yay!
May Ann kana. So happy fiesta. Mga una ta. Mamay ko siya with hot sauce.
Ang sushi ka, ang expectation niya, dili. Hello mga Merkads! Maayong hapon! Nagkaon-kaon na sa ta. Of course, this time I'm not doing it alone!
Nagkaon na po una. Mga una.
I'm here with Margrette! Hello mga Merkads! Uy, tanaw mo na may mga kwandihan. Live na karon.
Facebook.
Of course, welcome once again to another live episode of Food Review Only Rio's Pizza. Dira! So, this 3 layers pizza, ako'y gitawag nga Trisha. My Food Merkado. Alright? So, guys, silang view ko ya siya. No? Mga gwapo, wave mo, wave! Wave! Yay! Alright, so, timing kayo mga Kamerkads because we were also invited by the local government of Naga to witness and cover their lighting of Christmas tree or Christmas parole tonight at 6 p.m. So we grabbed the opportunity to come here at Aventino and we were so privileged na i-invite me sa Tagiya diri. Okay, so of course, aside sa kaon-kaon, naasa tayo chika-chika gamay. So mo na siyang different karon sa ato ang live kay naatay co-host or guest co-host guest kauban diri si Miss Margrette pero tuwa pa siya tanawa nag-assist pa siya sa mga gwapo gwapa ng mga Filipinos. Woo! Napot sila ni Chief, sir! Sir Chief! Babay sa mo! Mga gwapo kayo, mga baby boys kayo, mga kuanteri, mga polis dire. Sige, so atong tilawan na. Sir Josh, kuha na. Kauban po dahil na ako, of course, si Sir Josh sa Suroy Tabay.
Hello mga kasuroy!
Mga Kamerkads.
Ang mga kamerkads, ang mga kasuroy, hello! We're live here sa Aventino's Naga para dalawa ng ilang pizza. Kay lamian bitli tayo. So, Miss May, asa mo yung nag-start ng Juan? Asa mo yung nag-start ng Aventino's?
May pagbulingkod ka, sir.
Yeah, okay na,
To
okay
give
na.
you a brief history, kanina yung Aventino's is not an original creation here in Cebu. Gikan kayo ni siya sa Siargao.
Siargao.
And si Sir
Apot.
Apot,
Kakaniba.
okay, si Sir Apot, actually, he's a well-traveled person. He loves traveling. And one time daw, naabot siya sa Siargao and nakatilaw siya sa Aventino's Pizza and na-impress yun siya sa crust. So, what he did was, iya gidala ang Aventino's diri sa Naga. So, karon we are so privileged kay mag-enjoy na taan nga pizza. So, kani mga Kamerkads, only sila siya ang gitawag na Trisha. Kay 3-layer man siya mapizza. So, na siya thin crust. After that, ay cheese. After the cheese, na ay layer of vegetables. And then on top of that, na ay layer of meat. So, na siya ang Trisha na pizza. Ay, lumi kayo mga Kamerkads. Nakatilaw na ko ano before.
First time na po, first time.
Yes. Oh, by the way ha, aside sa ako kaon natin chika-chika with Margrette, ang post interview.
Malibak na.
Ask me anything. Sige ko na, namin yung gusto i-ask.
Tanaw to sa live ni May.
Mga Kamerkads, dito yung ginagawa ko nag-lunch. Naghinang-hinang dito balik ano nilang pizza. Nakalami kayo may balansin daw. No? At plus, dili kayo baga. Okay? Ang vegetables na naasa tunga just enough to give it a freshness of flavor. And then the meat on top, wala ginihit. Hi, Jazz. Asa ni na pizza? Jazz, naata diri karon sa Aventino's Pizza, diri sa Naga.
Bye! Bye! Hey guys, so we just finished our early dinner at Aventino's Pizza and Pasta here in Naga. And I would like to thank the owner, Mr. and Mrs. Panganiban. This is their store, by the way, the ground level of this building. You can see it's Aventino's Pizza and Pasta. I already showed you the pizza and pastas that they serve there. Very affordable and very lami. As in, mahalo ng lasa. So, don't forget to visit Aventino's if you drop by Naga City here in Cebu. With 500 pesos, you can already buy quality pizza and pasta over here at Aventino. So, let's go ahead na sa next event, which is the lighting ceremony. Suroy tabay.
Malaban ng ring light.
Wala, marka angel.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.